Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can delete your channels on Telegram X. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post. Now let's get started. First, open the Telegram X app on your mobile and tap on the channel that you want to delete. After that, tap on the profile picture or name of the channel. And you'll be led to this page where you can see a pencil icon at the top of your screen. Tap on it, and then on the top right corner you can see the three dotted icon. Tap on it, and then you can see the option of destroy channel. Tap on it and then confirm that you want to destroy your channel. Tap on destroy channel. Confirm if you want to remove all your subscribers and all your posts. Tap on destroy channel again. As you can see, the channel has been deleted. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.